Ariel, I am really impressed with this air duster. It was able to inflate this entire full-size inflatable bed within minutes. This is also great for cleaning like your computer equipment or cleaning Legos or other small delicate materials because it does come with a number of attachments, including this one to get into tight, hard to reach places. Now, of course, this does pop off so that you have a little bit more versatile cone here. And then if you wanted to change it to something else as well, you can just pop this guy off and then maybe put this on. So this would be great for maybe blowing leaves. Honestly, you could probably just use this. I think I used this earlier to blow off some leaves off of my car and off of the sidewalk. So it is incredibly powerful. Now the battery is also pretty impressive. I started with a full battery and I blew up this entire mattress, and it was still full 4 bars by the time I was done. So that's pretty amazing. It does come with a number of other attachments as well. So it does come with this cleaning brush, and then also this attachment where you can also attach and has a little cleaning brush on the end of it. So this would be great for a number of use cases as well. And it all comes nice and neat in this bag. So you can just put it in this bag, good to go, right after you're done. And of course, it is a USB-C charging. It does come with its own cable. But yeah, overall, I'm really impressed with this. I did receive this from the brand to try out and to give my honest opinion of this. And as you saw, it is pretty amazing. I hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.